In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel for LinkedIn outreach. By the end, you'll have your LinkedIn account connected to GoHighLevel so you can streamline outreach, track conversations, and keep everything organized in one place. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want LinkedIn connected. This matters because integrations are tied to the specific location you're working in. Give the page a moment to fully load so all settings are available. Now head to Settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of the screen. It's the gear icon. Settings is where GoHighLevel keeps account-level tools, including the integrations area we need. If your screen is zoomed in or the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the labels. Inside Settings, click on Integrations. This section is the hub that connects GoHighLevel with your external apps. Think of it as your bridge to platforms like LinkedIn, email services, and more. If you don't immediately see the option, scroll the Settings panel. It's typically easy to spot. Once you're in Integrations, browse the available options. You'll see a list or a marketplace style view. Take a second to confirm you're in the location you intend to use for outreach, and ensure any pop-up blockers are disabled since authorization windows may open in a new tab. Use the search bar and type in LinkedIn. This is the fastest way to find the official LinkedIn option without scrolling. When it appears, check that it's the correct integration and review any notes about what access it will request. Having your LinkedIn login ready helps speed things up. Click Connect. GoHighLevel will redirect you to LinkedIn's secure authorization page. This is normal and necessary so LinkedIn can verify you and confirm what information can flow between the two platforms. On the LinkedIn prompt, click Allow to grant access and continue through any additional prompts that appear. If you manage multiple profiles or pages, select the right one for your outreach. When the authorization completes, you'll be returned to GoHighLevel, and you should see a confirmation or status showing LinkedIn is connected. That's it. Your LinkedIn account is now linked to GoHighLevel. If you don't see the confirmation right away, refresh the page and double-check that pop-ups are allowed. From here, you can confidently use LinkedIn within your GoHighLevel location to support your outreach strategy, keep messaging organized, and track results alongside your other campaigns.